Yes.
Good evening all. Today we are going to have a discussion on DT approach on application of digital communication in military sector. So we all know what is design thinking, right? It is a process of understanding the needs of a user. So totally we will be having 5 stages in design thinking. First one is empathy, second one is define, third one ideate, fourth one prototype, and fifth one is testing. In empathy, we'll be identifying the needs of the user through some feedback mechanism. Second one, define, will be defining what is the exact problem. Based on the problem statement, we'll be listing out the ideas in the ideate stage. And after listing out the ideas, we'll be finding out what are all the techniques available to solve the particular problem, and we'll be designing a prototype. So after designing a prototype, we'll be testing the particular thing, and we'll be seeing whether it meets the needs of the user. If it doesn't meet the needs of the user, again we'll be starting from the define stage. Okay, you discuss among yourself, and after 5 minutes we can start the discussion. Okay.
Start.
Okay, let's start the discussion.
I am going to explain about empathy stage. Understanding key user. First, we discuss about identifying key users. In military operation, key users include soldiers, commanders, intelligence, and logistic personnel. Unique communication challenges is crucial. Next, conduct interviews. Design team should be observe military and conduct interviews to identify tool gaps such as radio reliability or ease of use under stress.
Then I am going to explain about the define part. The problem statement which I collected from the empathy state need to be solved. These could include communication insights, and also they face challenges during define state. For this problem statement, the define part is how we can design more innovative communication system for militaries who are working in a high stress environment, or how we design a seamless communication system using different units.
In the ideate part, we brainstorm our ideas to find the best solution. Some of the ideas are integrating AR into the military helmets to provide real-time and hands-free communication, and developing voice control systems to make communications easier, and then creating a robust network that allow communication to continue even when the centralized systems are down. And then at last, involving the end users in the ideation process ensures that the solutions are relevant and practical for real-world applications.
Now I'm going to explain about prototype. Prototype means developing a model for the idea. Now first we are going to develop the wearable devices. The wearable device allows the soldiers to enhance the communication between the soldiers, because they did not want to hold the radio or smartphone. Next we are developing the web page. By developing a web page or app, it is easy to interface the two-side communication. And we are testing that in every conditions, like heavy weather, high temperature. That's like we are testing that. Now if it is okay, we are getting it is sent to we are getting feedback from the soldiers whether it is working correct or not.
Now I am going to tell about the testing case. In testing stage, there are 3 types: user-centered testing, field testing in real scenarios, and continuous improvement. In user-centered testing, after gathering the feedback from the initial prototype, iteratively it improves the work. For example, if a soldier suggests that certain controls need to be more tactile or accessible during while they are wearing gloves, or the communication system wants a better encryption. In field testing, deploy the refined prototypes in the real military services or missions. So it helps to test the durability, security and effectiveness of the communication system in the operational environment. In continuous improvement, if the error occurs during the field testing, they will undergo certain checkings and will ensure that the final product should be robust, effective and that will be more suitable for the military services.
So thank you all for your feedback, for your suggestions, and we all know this digital communication is more advantageous when compared to analog. So when we apply this design thinking to the digital communication, certainly the product what we develop will be more advanced, and we are, as Mohan told, we can even incorporate AR in military sectors. So by doing so, we can develop a more precise product, more secure product and more advantageous one also. So because of design thinking, we can improve the communication sector in the military area. So thank you all.
Thank you.